So Signe is high-quality office and retail building that is located in center of Helsinki. So the contract type is construction management contract, and the developer is Ponda, main contractor is Jatke, and the scope is about 24,000 square meters, and the project have like 3 years construction time. We choose to go for Takt in the beginning of the construction when the project team was gathered together. Our client gave us like really clear targets. First of all, the site is located in center of Helsinki, so the logistics are extremely challenging. So Takt helps us to plan more ahead the logistics, that we get just-in-time deliveries. And second, the overall schedule is very tight and we have fixed budget. So Takt helps us to control them. So the basic principle for us was that the Takt schedule is based on quantities. First we enriched the BIM models using simple BIM. So we added the Takt area information and also generated new object, for example, for installation floor and floor surfaces, and also like standardized the model data. Because of the enrichment process, we could like import the quantities straight into Takting, which is our Takt like planning and managing software. And then we like divided the floors to the Takt areas. So in this basic floor we have 9 different Takt areas, and also we have own trains for like dry spaces and wet spaces, because they have different work packages. Then we got the like Takt schedule that is based on data. Of course, the Takt schedule alone isn't enough. We need the daily management. So there will always be some problems, for example, sick leaves, like late deliveries or design gaps. But with this Takt, it helps the problems to pop up more early so we can react to them. We require our subcontractor to fill in the like status data for all the work packages straight to our system. And that gave the like subcontractors the ownership, and it like forces them to manage the work and follow the schedule. We can visualize the data from the Takt schedule like top of the like floor plan. So this we show in every floor, so it's visible for all the workers and they can follow the schedule and understand where they should work and what are the resources we have planned for them. From Takting, from the Takt software, the data is flowing to Power BI, where we can see the like situation in like bigger picture, and we can also filter the data by like subcontractor or by location, and we can also there follow the resources, like compare the planned resource and the actual resource, because we get the data from the access control system.
One of the most important things is that what Takt brings along is that you tend to have to plan better ahead. So it kind of front loads the planning process or planning effort. So, and when you go to smaller and smaller batch sizes, that is usually correlates with Takt production. We start to plan in more detail. You also tend to get more data.
Because we have to make the like planning and designing more ahead, so we need the like clients and tenants the input data much more earlier, and that's a big change compared to traditional construction methods.
The way risks are traditionally divided across the stakeholders might not work equally in a Takt production context. For example, you might have subcontractors that need to need to kind of adjust their way of working, and this might require some type of renegotiation of the risks involved in the project.
I would add that the principles of the risk management are still the same. You still need to identify, assess, and manage risks. So, of that point of view, there is not big difference.
We have learned to understand construction production through these two different perspectives of flow, process flows and trade flows. We have conducted several case studies and several in-depth studies about real construction projects, and the real signal is that we tend to get shorter project durations, we tend to get more efficient production, better material handling. When we shorten the durations and try to make things or the production flows more efficient on construction sites, it starts to reveal problems that are at the upstream of the construction project. We kind of need clear measures for performance so that we can assess both situational awareness and continuous improvement opportunities, and also measure how we are improving. We have a lot of good research about Takt planning. We still kind of lack a deep understanding of what actually happens on construction sites during production.
For sure, the digital systems that support the Takt, there is still a lot of development that can be done, and also the use of data can help to plan more better Takt schedule and help to manage the schedule. In practice, we need more successful Takt project, because when other projects see that it works, they will start also get interested about the Takt. And from the successful project, we get more experience. And for example, I'm sure that this group who are now building this Signe, the next project, they will do the Takt even better, so they learn all the time. I think that Aalto has had high impact that companies have start to use Takt more. And overall, I would say that without the long-term research, companies wouldn't have start to use Takt so regularly. Takt is not just scheduling method, but it's actually a production system.